More and more executives are tasking PMOs to ensure that their investments in projects are delivered within budget and on time, and returning the desired outcomes and benefits. To achieve this task, PMOs have to set up frameworks and processes, support and train the project managers, set up and run a project portfolio management system, usually called PPM. But sometimes PPM system that isn't operating properly can stop PMOs from delivering the value expected. PMO365 provides PMOs with the software and the services required to guarantee the success of their PPM system. It is a monthly managed service that provides PMOs with licenses required, best practice workflows, templates and reports tailored to their requirements, along with ongoing services like monitoring, training, user support, administration, enhancements. PMO365 is built in Microsoft's cloud using applications such as Office365, Project Online, Power BI, Planner, Dynamics PSA. It's delivered as a monthly service without long-term commitments, which means you can scale it up or down or turn it on or off whenever you want. PMO365 gives PMOs visibility on accurate and real-time projects information and status, consistency in the way projects are delivered, flexibility to accommodate changes in plans and strategies, and ability to prioritize projects so the right projects are selected in the first place. It guarantees the benefits of your PPM all the time, so you can focus on what really matters.